Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn ion-electron method for balancing chemical equation in chapter redox reaction. Suppose this equation is given and you are supposed to balance this equation in by ion-electron method. Now the first thing is you need to take this equation and you need to divide this equation into two half equation like I do. SO2 is transforming into SO4 minus 2 charge and Fe3 positive charge is transforming into Fe positive 2 charge. Now start balancing these two half equation individually. If you see carefully, in this equation number of sulfur left hand side and right hand side there is 1 1, and on left hand side there are 2 oxygen atoms, on right hand side there are 4 oxygen atoms. For balancing oxygen atoms, we used to add water molecule like we did in oxidation number method on left hand side. So I added 2 water molecules and now oxygen atoms are balanced. By adding oxygen water molecules, I added hydrogen atoms also because they are coming in the water molecule. So for balancing hydrogen ions, I would be adding 4 hydrogen ions on right hand side, so that now on left hand side there is 1 sulfur, right hand side there is 1 sulfur, 2 oxygen on left hand side plus 2 oxygen on left hand side. So total 4 oxygen atoms on left hand side, and right hand side there are 4 oxygen atoms. On left hand side there are 4 hydrogen atoms, and on right hand side there are 4 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, if we see this equation carefully, on left hand side and right hand side we are seeing 1 1 ion atom, although they have different charges. Now how to balance charge? If you see here, SO2 is not containing any charge, water is not containing any charge, so total charge on left hand side is 0. Similarly, if we see on right hand side, sulfate is containing minus 2 charge and 4 hydrogen ions are containing positive 4 charge, so net charge on right hand side is plus 2. Here the net charge on left hand side plus 3, net charge on right hand side plus 2. Now next thing is we need to balance charge. How to balance? Wherever you are seeing the charge is more, on that side we used to add electrons. Like here, one charge is more than the right hand side. So what I'm going to do, I will take this equation Fe3 positive charge and I add 1 electron on left hand side, and right hand side would remain same like this. Similarly, on right hand side I'll be having plus 2 charge more, on left hand side there is 0. So what I'm going to do, this SO2 will remain like this plus 2H2O, and it will give me SO4 minus 2 plus 4 hydrogen ion plus 2 electrons. In both the equation, now charge are balanced. If you see carefully, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now I need to add both the equation, that is equation number 1 and 2, in such a way the electron would be cancelled. For that I will multiply equation number 1 by 2. So what will happen? I will get equation 2Fe 3 positive charge plus 2 electrons and Fe positive 2 charge with 2 in number. on adding. These two will be cancelled out in this way, and I would be getting SO2 plus 2H2O plus 2Fe positive 3 will give me sulfate ion plus 2Fe positive 2 plus 4H ion. Because I am seeing here there are hydrogen ions in the equation, that is why I'll be calling this equation is balanced in acidic medium. Now I would like to convert this equation in basic medium. For that, what I need to do, I need to add hydroxyl ions. How much? Which is equal to the total hydrogen ions in the equation. So SO2 plus 2Fe positive 3 plus 2H2O plus 4OH ion will give me SO4 plus 2Fe positive 2 charge plus 4H ion plus 4OH ion. Now what will happen? These two ions, 4H ions and 4H ions, will combine to give me 4H2O. So instead of these two ions, I'll be writing 4H2O now. So here 4H2O will be formed, but I'm seeing here 2H2O is present here and 4 are present here. So I will simplify this equation more and remove these 2H2O and correct the total number of water. So now this equation is balanced in basic medium. So this is how we used to balance chemical equation by ion electron method. Thank you, children.